Hi friends! On this video I want to show how to crochet a simple and easy feathers like this. I will use yarn art jeans yarn. This type of yarn you can use Alize cotton gold, this type. And let's start. We'll start with dark yellow yarn. Chain 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Pass the next 2 stitches, and from the third, 1 single crochet, the next second single crochet, third single crochet, and fourth. From here, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we'll work on this side. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. We hide the tail. Now cut it. Okay, this will be the top of our feather. Here is the 3 that we chain. This will be a hole. For all the rows we will have a hole, and from all the rows we will pass the next 2 stitches. From here, chain 1, turn your work and make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and all from this row, all rows will make only from back loops. And the third. Now here is our hole. We'll make 2 single crochets to this hole. 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and to this hole from this side 2 single crochets. Now from back loops, 1 single crochet, 2, and 3. We'll pass the next 2 single crochets, chain 1, and now I want to show and say that on every rows we'll have 2 increases, because we make on hole 2 single crochets, then chain 3 for having a hole, then 2 single crochets. And when we turn our work, now we make 3 single crochets. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our increase that we increase, making single crochets here. Now we'll do the same way, 2 single crochets on hole, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the hole the same way, 2 single crochets. From back loops now, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, turn your work, and for every row we will have 1 single crochet. We'll increase 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 single crochets to the hole, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochets to the hole. from back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, turn your work, and now 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 single crochets to the hole, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and from this side 2 single crochets. From back side, back loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, turn your work. Our yellow, dark yellow part is ready, and from here we will change color to milk white. Okay, let's start. When we go back to this side from back loops, oh, how long is my tail? From back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochets. Cut the tail of yarns that we hide. Now the same way we'll make 2 single crochets to the hole, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochets to this hole, and from back sides, back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now chain 1, turn your work, and from back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 single stitches, 2 single crochet to the hole, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2 single crochets to the hole, from back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 1, turn your work, from back loops, and we will crochet till the end of our feather like this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the hole, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. From this side, 2 single crochets from back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 1, turn your work, and we'll make 4 more rows for this feather. And on the end I will show how I make this part. On the end row I have 12 single crochets here. I'm on the end. Now I make 11 and 12. And now how I make the top. You can make 10 single crochets on this hole, or you can make half double crochets, double crochets, how you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make slip stitch and cut the yarn. Our feather is ready. If you like this video, please on comments below write about your work, how it's turned out, and if it's this easy way to make a beautiful decoration feather. Thank you for watching my video. See you!